Dr. Nowhere's tapes don't just show us monsters, they show us pure suffering. Today, we are pulling one of his most visceral anomalies out of the static and into the physical world. This is the melting bath. It's not just a creature, it's a grotesque diorama of corrupted flesh and cold ceramic. These entities are literally liquefying. If you want to see how a block of raw clay turns into pure body horror, keep watching. And if you have the stomach for it, grab your tools and repeat after me. We start with the environment. A horror entity is only as scary as the room it's trapped in. I'm building a custom tile floor. Carving these grid lines into the clay gives it that cold, abandoned slaughterhouse feel. Then comes the bathtub itself. It needs to look heavy, stained, and completely ruined. When you're making this at home, do exactly what I do. Destroy the perfection. Smoothness is your enemy here. Gouge the clay. Make it look like something has been rotting in this room for years. Now for the entities. Their bodies are pitch black, emaciated, and unnaturally bent over the edge. But the real horror is the face, or what's left of it. I'm using a specialized red gloss technique to create this melting, thick flesh effect. It has to look wet and heavy, literally dragging their heads down into the tub. If you are following along, stretch your red material thinly and let gravity do the work. Let it drip naturally. This is where the plasticine stops looking like a toy and starts looking like a crime scene. Bringing analog horror into reality takes hours of engineering and sculpting. If you respect the dark art of clay crafting, hit the like button right now. It directly feeds the YouTube algorithm and pushes this nightmare to new viewers. Subscribe to the channel to help it grow. We are building the entire Dr. Nowhere universe here, piece by piece. Drop a comment down below. What is the sickest detail of this diorama? The melting bath is complete, a physical monument to Dr. Nowhere's twisted imagination. Wash your hands. I'll see you in the next tape.